Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want a high quality image file for social media, websites or presentations, Canva lets you export your design as a PNG in just a few clicks. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to download a Canva design as a PNG in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into your account. Open the design you want to download, okay, and open the design that's any design that you have already done before, and make sure the design is finalized. Okay, so go to the top right corner. We have share, tap share. This opens the exports panel. All download options are inside this panel. So in this share panel, I want you to scroll down and tap download. You will now see the file format option. Okay. So under file type, we have this options. Okay. So we have JPG, PNG. Okay. So choose this one, which is already suggested. So PNG gives better quality than JPG. Okay, so if your design has multiple pages, click select pages, choose all pages or specific pages. Okay, and each page will download as a separate PNG file. Okay, so after that, tap download, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.